Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Amazing Online Finds. I'm back with a new video and this time I have ordered something from Nykaa. If you can read it here, Nykaa, your beauty, our passion. So this is the tagline that Nykaa believes in, and frankly I have been ordering from Nykaa for the past many years now, and all the products are good, they are authentic, and you might have heard like the last year, I guess, last year or so, Nykaa went, like it was listed on the stock market as well. So the CEO of the Nykaa, even like she has put in so much efforts towards this website. So if you just check the website, there are many products that you get at affordable prices and the authenticity is there. So rest assured, you know that whatever you are ordering a good product only. So let us see what I have ordered this time. So these are the three products. That I have ordered from Nykaa website. All these three are body lotion. So I did not have body lotion. I like all the bottles that I had, they were emptied. So I wanted to try something new. Usually Dove body lotion is the one which I order most of the time. And this time this light hydration that I have ordered, it is supposed to give you 48 hours of hydration and it is for all body types. The best part is it is paraben free and it has this Nutri Duo technology which is going to keep your skin very hydrated. If we look at the price point of view, now this product that I have ordered with a 400 ml capacity and it costs 399 rupees. So, and if you can also see it here, so this is dermatologically tested. Best part is this is like a non-sticky kind of moisturizer, so it gets easily absorbed into the skin and it contains plant-based moisturizer, so it gives you that 48 hours of moisturization, extremely good after you have taken a shower and then you want to hydrate your body. So this is a good body lotion that you can order, and I just mentioned the price point as well. You can order this from Nykaa, you can order this from Amazon as well. Let's see the other product that we have. This is the Vaseline's Healthy Bright Gluta High DV Radiance Serum in Lotion. This is their new and latest launch, Gluta Glow Hyaluron Niacinamide. So what they have done is they have enriched this body lotion. It's like a serum in lotion and it is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. It is non-sticky. So you can just see the ingredients here. And even the packaging looks quite nice. This is such a gold, nice rose gold color. Now this Gluta High Serum and Lotion DV Radiance, what they have mentioned, just we will go through this, guys. We believe everyone everywhere deserves healthy skin. Vaseline DV Radiance Serum and Lotion helps give you brighter and glowing skin with its clinically proven formula. Now this is boosted with Gluta Glow technology, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. This Vaseline also helps to reduce the causes of dull skin. This hyaluron is known to boost the skin's moisture for DV skin. It has 10%, like 10 times active niacinamide, which boosts skin's natural radiance. And Vaseline jelly locks the moisture deep within your skin. So this is their latest unique formula, which bursts into water droplets and is instantly absorbed upon application. So they have done research studies also based on this. It was like an intervention study and the study was done in 2014. If we look at the price point of view, now this is a 200 ml bottle tube and the price is, so what they have mentioned, So the price it is mentioned here, it is 300 rupees. 300 rupees for this 200 ml bottle. I will put the link in the description box so you can order this product. And the last product that we have here is Vaseline Healthy Bright Gluta High Flawless Glow Serum in Lotion. It is a Gluta Glow Hyaluron Pro Retinol. It is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. It is non-sticky. So again, as they have mentioned here, Gluta High Serum in Lotion Flawless Glow. It is boosted with this Gluta Glow technology, the same lotion that I showed you earlier. But the best part about this is, now that earlier one, now this one contained vitamin C and this one contains pro-retinol. So it will also give you that anti-aging benefits. Pro-retinol for helping to exfoliate the dead skin cells to give even toned skin. It has the dual UV filters as well, and that Vaseline jelly, it is going to lock the moisture deep within your skin, and hyaluron will give you that deep moisture for that DV skin. Again, when it comes to price point of view, 200 ml costs 300 rupees. So if you want to order these products, what I'll do is I will put a link in the description box. You can click on the link and then you can order this product for yourself. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this body lotion. Have you ever used it, or what did it feel like? Did you like these products? And if you're liking my videos, please do share a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back in my next video. Till then, bye bye.